Hi, I'm Varun Mehta and I'm the CEO of Nimble Storage. I'm here to describe our new storage solution. Let's start out with looking at what people use today. So you have primary storage that talks to a backup device for backing up, and often this is now increasingly a backup to disk device that does capacity optimization, and that device replicates to an offsite system. We talked with over 100 customers to figure out what their challenges were with managing today's storage stack. So to start from the top, they talked about the cost of data growth and keeping up with that. And the reason things cost so much is that people need high RPM drives, which are very expensive, to accommodate their enterprise class applications like Exchange, SharePoint, and SQL Server. Backing up is a big issue for customers because your backup software has to scan your primary storage on a daily and every weekend basis and figure out what changed, copy that over to your secondary storage, which is a long and painful process. And during that time, you can't get any work done on your primary system. Then you've got to buy this backup piece of infrastructure, which is oftentimes as expensive as your primary storage. And then for replication, you can at best replicate once a day because your backup window is so long. So we looked at all these issues, and at Nimble Storage, what we've done is converge your primary and backup into one system. So you have to buy one less box. Now let's see how we dealt with all the issues that customers faced. For the cost of storage, we've combined terabyte drives and we've added flash to them. So you get really low cost per gigabyte with the terabyte drives, very high performance with the flash. We eliminate backup windows by replacing them with snapshots, capacity optimized snapshots, and we can take snapshots in seconds instead of the backups that used to take hours. Because our snapshots are so efficient, we can replicate much more frequently, and therefore your data is in two places at a much better clip than you could with this prior solution. And then if there is a disaster, your data is immediately accessible in a box that is equivalent to your primary storage. It isn't locked up in a secondary storage box, so there's no recovery required. You can immediately access it. So the Nimble storage solution provides dramatically lower complexity, much lower cost, and much better performance than today's infrastructure. Thanks very much for watching, and if you need any more information, go to our website at nimblestorage.com.